Hi, this is Mandy. Welcome to my Dice Notation Persistence app. I am going to show you how to persist data using shared prefs and SQL. And I've already added the switch in my menu. If you click on the menu, it should already be set to shared prefs. So let's add a dice notation, and I'm going to add in 2D10. Click OK. When I pause the app and I resume it, it should save the data into my shared prefs, and I can go there by going to my device file explorer and going to data and scroll down to my package folder, which is right here. I should see a shared prefs folder, and when I click on this file, it should show me a string with every item on my master list, and 2D10 was the last one that I added, and it also shows here in my logcat. Now when I switch it to SQL and I add in a new dice notation and then pause it and resume it, you can see in the logcat terminal that I have added a new dice notation, and the master list should be saved to a database. So to retrieve that, I will have to go to my terminal and change the directory to my platform tools folder. Once I'm in that folder, I'm going to look at my ADB devices, and I'm going to start the shell that's attached to my device. Once I have started the shell, I'm going to run as an administrator inside of my database. So I'll have to add the name of my package. And I'm going to start SQLite 3 and then type in the name of my database. Once I'm inside the database, I'm going to write a command and select everything from the table called notations. And this should return a master list of my dice notations. And there it is. The last item I added was 2D8. And that's my dice notation persistence app using SQL and shared prefs to save data. Thank you for watching.